How to choose your first path in Toastmasters. Log in to Toastmasters International. Click on the Education Programs link. This will open a new page. Select the Pathways tab, then scroll down to the bottom of the page. On the left, click Choose a Path. Select your language from the drop-down menu. Example English, then click Continue. Scroll down to How would you like to access your materials. The recommended option is Digital Resources. Paper materials are also available if preferred. Scroll down again to How would you like to select your path. If you want to explore all options, click View All Paths on the left, then click Continue. This will take you to a page showing all available paths. Take time to read the descriptions carefully before making your choice. To receive personalized guidance, click Go Back to Preferences and repeat the process until you reach Choose Your Path again. This time, select Take an Assessment. You will answer a series of questions. At the end, the system will recommend one or two paths that best suit your needs. Make a selection. Your first path is free.